deep in the cities and around the world. The time of aviation in the world has a secretive thing. That started in 1903. These creatures are called the reproduction of the airplane is a unique part of the creatures around the world. This is an example of a living aircraft. The predator is the MD-11. The MD-11 is a predator of humans. That crash around years, it also eats planes. The SCP-787 is a worse predator that scares the science of aviation. By YPDFS, a living aircraft is just a myth. The airport Kai Tak was even worse than MD-11. In 1903, the Wright Flyer flew successfully. From Billy's Aviation, the Wright brothers have airplane heaven. It's a wonderful and magical heaven for good airplanes. The Korean living aircraft is a very curious airplane breed in Asia.